Good morning everyone. My name is MacBrian D. Sinisa. I'm from Matangad, Kitako, Misamis Oriental and 20 years old of age. And I graduated my grade 12 or senior high school at Alubihid National Comprehensive High School. So I have many different hobbies like playing guitar or playing instrument like guitar, bass, and drums. Also I play organ a little bit. Dili kay ko maayo mo organ. But totally may one instrument like guitar. So also my sports was playing basketball, volleyball, and badminton. I play boxing also. So hilig ako ni upat. Pero kadi yung boxing ako ang focusan. And then kuan guys kanang medyo na social kuan ko guys. Di ko kuan sa camera but I did my best, but I guess my best wasn't good enough. So my expectation about this subject, like in this subject, was, guys, to learn or I should understand basic principle in basic electrical engineering, basic system and circuits guys ba, sa electrical and analyze both DC and AC, understand electrical machine and work with basic electronic instrument and all while following safety practices. So ano ko'y short kuan guys story sa una guys is kuan ko kanang AM ko sa una hindi ko pinambog ko nakataod mig kuan kanang camera bitaw sa eskwelahan sa ko sa gitabang taod sa camera sa eskwelahan. So di na kay bag-o sa kuang AM electrical kay simple na ka agi-agi na ba ako. And then gusto na ako, I just wanted to ganitong mas taasan, gusto na ko taasan ang kanang akong nabalaan sa electrical muna guys. So God bless and see you in the next vlog.